In this video, I'll show you how to record the screen on your Android phone. It's really easy to record the screen on your Android phone. All you have to do is open the quick settings, and you might have to expand this area with the buttons, with the quick settings, notifications, shade here. I don't have notifications there, but you look for the screen recording start. And if you don't have that, you tap on the pencil icon and you can add the shortcuts from here. You can add them to the quick settings buttons options. To start the screen recording, all you have to do is press on this button for screen recording, and it's asking you start a recording. I want to record the entire screen, and these are important options: record device audio, and also record the touches on the screen if you want to. And you can record device audio, sound from your device, like music and sounds from the device, microphone, or both. So you can press start recording, and then you see a little countdown there. And now the recording started. So you have screen recording is on, and it's recording as I'm speaking, it's recording the screen. Whatever I'm doing now on the screen is recording that. And if I take a picture, it's recording that also. Everything, even this Video Pro app, is recording all of it. I want to make sure that you understand. You also see the tabs on the screen. So you see these little tabs there. Whenever I tap somewhere, it shows on the screen. So it's easier to see that. I enabled it when I enabled the option. So if I want to stop the recording, I could press there. It's going to take a while to process it. I could start another recording and I could say entire screen without showing the tabs and both device. Now the screen recording has started again, and I wanted to tell you that if you're going to record a video call, the sound from the video call will be muted. So if you have device audio and microphone, the sound from that video recording will be muted for privacy reasons for the video call. But you could have the sound from the microphone only, so you can only hear yourself in the video recording, in this screen recording. You might be able to hear a little bit from the other side also, but it's not going to sound very good. Always for privacy reasons, the sound from the other side when you make a video call is going to be muted. So that's the reason why, if you're trying to record a video, make a video call and you're trying to record it, many times it would be muted because you chose the device audio and sound from the other side. So if you're going to make a video call and you record it, you have to choose microphone only. So that's why like this, you can at least hear yourself, because the other side you will not be able to hear it well. So I'll record the entire screen, and here, instead of choosing device audio, I'll choose only microphone, and the touches on screen, there is no need for that. You see the little countdown there, and now the screen recording is started and it's showing me there is the notification there. I can always stop the recording there, so let's stop it now. So I can go now into the gallery app and see all these recordings I did. Okay. Now the screen recording has started again, and I wanted to tell you that if you're going to record a video call, the sound from the video call will be muted. And now, so you hear me talking, and you also hear the sounds from the phone on some of them. The last one you don't hear. Now the screen recording has started again, and I wanted to tell you that if you're now the screen recording started and it's showing me there is the notification there. I can always stop. Okay, so these ones are with the sound from the device. There should be one without. Now the recording started, so you have screen recording. So you still hear the sound from the speaker, because even though you don't hear the sound from the device, you hear it from the speaker. So you might be able to hear a little bit of the other side through the recording, but not great quality. It's on, and it's recording as I'm speaking. It's recording the screen. So that's how you record the screen on your Android phone, including tabs. So you can really make a nice instructional step-by-step video. If you want to show someone how to do something on your phone, The easiest way is to show them a video like this one. I show you how to record the screen. You can show this to someone else to how to record the steps or something specific. It's very convenient, and I hope this helps you learn how to record the screen on your Android phone with sound from the device and with the microphone, and why sometimes there is no sound in the recording for privacy reasons when you make a video call or even a phone call. Thanks for watching.